Welcome to my channel. Get ready to know about the Prostate Wellness. Top 5 drinks help shrink an enlarged prostate, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's dive into today's video. What is a prostate? The prostate is a small gland that's part of the male reproductive system. Function. What does a prostate do for a man? Your prostate contributes additional fluid to your semen, ejaculate. Ejaculate is a whitish-gray fluid that releases from your penis when you orgasm. The fluid contains enzymes, zinc and citric acid, which help nourish sperm cells and lubricate your urethra, pronounced urethru. The urethra is a tube through which ejaculate and pee flow out of your body. Your prostate's muscles also help push semen into and through your urethra when you orgasm. What does the prostate look like? Your prostate has 5 lobes: anterior, in the front, and posterior, in the back, lobes, 2 lateral lobes, on the sides, and 1 median, in the middle, lobe. Connective tissues and glandular tissues make up its structure. The prostatic fascia covers your prostate. Prostatic fascia is a sheet of stretchy connective tissue. How big is the prostate? Your prostate is about the size of a walnut. The prostate usually gets larger after age 40, benign prostatic hyperplasia. It can grow from the size of a walnut to the size of a lemon. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, isn't cancerous, and it doesn't increase your risk of developing prostate cancer. How much does your prostate weigh? Your prostate weighs about 1 ounce, 30 grams, which is as heavy as 5 US quarters. Prostate wellness is vital for men's overall health and quality of life. Here are some tips for maintaining prostate health. Healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can promote prostate health. Foods containing lycopene, such as tomatoes, watermelon, and pink grapefruit, may be particularly beneficial. Limit red meat and dairy. High consumption of red meat and dairy products may increase the risk of prostate problems. Limiting intake of these foods can be beneficial. Omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporate sources of omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, into your diet. These healthy fats may help reduce inflammation and support prostate health. Stay active. Regular exercise is essential for overall health, including prostate health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity is associated with an increased risk of prostate problems. Maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise can support prostate wellness. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water is crucial for prostate health. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day to stay hydrated. Regular checkups. Schedule regular visits with your healthcare provider for prostate screenings, especially as you age. Prostate-specific antigen, PSA, tests and digital rectal exams, DREs, can help detect potential issues early. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption have been linked to prostate problems. Quit smoking if you smoke, and limit alcohol intake to moderate levels. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact overall health, including prostate health. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga. Consider supplements. Some supplements, such as saw palmetto, beta-sitosterol, and pygeum, have been studied for their potential benefits for prostate health. Consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements. Be proactive. Pay attention to any changes in urinary habits, such as increased frequency or difficulty urinating, and seek medical advice if you experience symptoms that concern you. By following these tips and prioritizing prostate wellness, men can take proactive steps to support their overall health and well-being. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice and recommendations tailored to individual health needs. Are you wondering how to shrink an enlarged prostate naturally, or if it's even possible? If so, you've come to the right place. Dealing with an enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, can be challenging. However, there are natural remedies that may help alleviate symptoms and promote prostate health. Even if you've been prescribed medication for BPH, these natural remedies to try yourself at home will help ease your symptoms. But first of all, let's take a closer look at BPH. What is benign prostatic hyperplasia? BPH is one of the most common health problems that males encounter, affecting some 50% of males aged between 51 to 60 and 70% of men between 60 to 69. This figure rises to 80% for men over the age of 70. As men age, they often experience an enlarged prostate, medically termed benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. This condition arises as the cells within the prostate gland undergo multiplication over time. The enlargement of the prostate becomes problematic as it exerts pressure on the urethra, resulting in urinary problems including a weakened or interrupted flow of urine, difficulty starting or holding urination, inability to urinate, frequent need to urinate, particularly during the night. Ignoring BPH symptoms can lead to further complications, such as urine retention and kidney damage. Depending on the severity of your condition, your doctor may suggest regular monitoring or recommend treatment, if deemed necessary. Can an enlarged prostate shrink on its own? In a word, no. But here are 4 natural remedies to try at home to alleviate your symptoms. 1. How to shrink an enlarged prostate naturally with a sitz bath. A sitz bath is an old-fashioned form of hydrotherapy that can be used to relieve the symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Taking a sitz bath involves alternating between hot and cold baths. Sitting in a warm bath will relax the pelvic muscles and promote healing, while a cold bath reduces prostate swelling and eases pain. To try this at home, fill your bathtub with warm water, 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, and add half a cup of Epsom salt to it. Fill another large container with cold water, 55 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, and add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Sit in the warm water for 3 minutes, then switch to the cold water for 1 minute. Repeat this process 3 times, ending with a cold bath. This method for soothing the prostate is backed up by a study on patients who had undergone transurethral resection of the prostate, TURP, and consequently experienced faster healing and fewer complications. 2. Kegel exercises. Engaging in pelvic strengthening or Kegel exercises can provide relief for some of the discomfort associated with an enlarged prostate. These exercises are beneficial for tightening and clenching specific pelvic muscles, aiding in the control of urination. Kegel exercises stand out as one of the most effective methods for reducing prostate swelling and improving urinary flow. To perform Kegel exercises, empty your bladder and lie on the ground with your knees bent and apart. Gently tighten the pelvic floor muscles for about 5 seconds before relaxing them for another 5 seconds. Not quite sure where your pelvic floor muscles are? Here's a handy tip. While at the toilet, attempt to stop and start urinating. The muscles you engage during this process are your pelvic floor muscles and the ones you are aiming to strengthen through Kegel exercises. For optimal results, repeat these exercises 10 to 20 times, 2 to 3 times per day to help alleviate symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. However, it's essential for men dealing with chronic prostatitis or chronic pelvic pain syndrome to avoid this type of exercise. 3. Apple cider vinegar for prostate issues. Unfiltered raw apple cider vinegar is a popular natural remedy for a plethora of health problems, including prostate gland issues. Its acidic properties are said to help reduce swelling of the prostate gland and prevent complications arising from the condition, such as urinary tract infections. One way to ingest apple cider vinegar is to mix it with a tablespoon of honey in a glass of warm water and drink it. Alternatively, why not add it to a salad dressing? If you prefer, you could also add a cup of apple cider vinegar to cool bath water and soak in it for about 10 minutes. For eating salmon cause the shrinkage of large prostate, Fish are full of healthy fats, omega-3 acids, and antioxidants that offer protection against cancer while also providing highly effective anti-inflammatory qualities. Studies have found that eating salmon just once a week could reduce the risk of an enlarged prostate, slow the development of prostate tumors, and even halt any cancer present from advancing. In addition to salmon, sardines and trout are also great sources of omega-3 acids. 5. Stinging nettle extract. Many of us have experienced sharp pain from touching stinging nettles, but did you know they contain beneficial compounds for the prostate? A study in 2019 discovered that nettle root extraction effectively soothes the prostate and relieves BPH symptoms. Participants in the study noticed their urine flow increased significantly and their prostate volume reduced. Natural foods to shrink the prostate. While foods can't guarantee to shrink the prostate, nutritious foods can create a line of defense. All men should be aware that incorporating certain vitamins and minerals into their diet can help maintain a healthy prostate and lower their risk for BPH. Foods to include in a prostate diet include vegetables, avocados, tomatoes, tofu, salmon, sesame seeds. Thank you so much for watching this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, make sure to check out these other awesome videos from our channel. You might find something you love. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching.